Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by connecting essential peripherals and powering the tablet. This avoids interruptions. Once plugged or sufficiently charged, sign into your Microsoft or local account so settings and apps are available. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and rotation lock is set for preferred orientation. Now, switch to tablet mode if you want touch-optimized UI or stay in desktop mode for full apps. This choice affects how gestures and the taskbar behave. Proceed once these basics are confirmed. You'll now tailor the interface so Windows feels natural on a tablet. Start by practicing gestures. Swipe from the right for Action Center and Quick Settings, from the left to switch apps. These save time. Once done, open Display Settings to adjust scale and orientation so text isn't tiny and battery usage is optimized. Then organize apps. Pin frequent ones to start. Choose touch-friendly apps when possible, and use Snap to position two apps side by side for efficient multitasking. Finish by integrating accessories and securing system stability. You should pair any Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, or stylus and adjust pen sensitivity so input feels natural. This boosts precision for notes and editing. Next, update Windows and device drivers to prevent glitches, and backup settings to one drive or an external drive to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, for example touch misreads, recalibrate the screen, reboot, and verify drivers in Device Manager. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.